how you can set up the Gmail SMTP server. Whether you're looking to send emails from your website or simply want a more secure way to communicate, we've got you covered. So let's get started. First things first, SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It's the standard protocol for sending emails across the internet. Setting up Gmail's SMTP server means you can send emails using your Gmail account from different email clients and applications. Before we dive in, you'll need a few things. 1. A Gmail account. If you don't have one, it's easy and free to sign up. 2. Access to your application or website's email settings. And lastly, ensure that two-step verification is enabled on your Gmail account, as we'll be using app passwords. Let's start by enabling two-step verification. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Tip. Follow the prompts to set it up. Remember, this is crucial for generating an app password, which we'll need later. To do so, go to Step Verification, tap on Get Started, and enter your password for security. Now tap on Next, then tap on Continue. Here you'll need to enter your mobile number so that you can get the verification codes. Enter it and then tap on Send. Now you'll be prompted to enter your verification code, then tap on Turn On. With two-step verification enabled, we can now generate an app password. Head back to the Security section in your Google account settings, click on App Passwords. If you can't find one, simply go on Search button, then type in App Passwords and tap on it. So to create a new app specific password, type a name for the app. So here I'm going to be writing Test My App, then tap on Create. Now your password has been generated. Copy this password, we'll need it for setting up the SMTP server. Now onto the SMTP server setup, the settings you need are as follows: SMTP server, port, username and password. Now let's head to the SMTP server. Go to your search bar and type in SMTP test tool. First one, which is the official page of SMTP test tool. Here in SMTP server, you need to write smtp.gmail.com. For port, you can use 587 or 465. And for security, you can type in SSL or TLS. Here in your username, you need to type in your full Gmail address. And in the password, you need to write the app password you generated. Then go to your email client or application settings, look for the SMTP or outgoing mail server settings, enter the details we just mentioned, save your settings, and you're all set. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up the Gmail SMTP server in 2024. We hope this tutorial helps you streamline your email communications. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.